is 0.4. Okay, so I'll denote this with p equals to 0.4 and n here equals to 20. Okay, the sample size is 20, and the question is x is binomially distributed where n equals to 20 and the success is 0.4. Find the probability when x is between 6 to 10. Okay, 6 to 10 inclusive of 6 and 10. Okay, so find approximation to this probability by using the normal distribution. Okay, if it's not a normal distribution, let's say if I want to find using binomial, then p when x equals to 6, this would be 20 C6, and that's 0.6 to the power, no, 0.4. Okay, p first, 0.4 to the power of 6 and 0.6 to the power of 14. Okay, but 0.1244. So for next I should be doing for p equals to x equals to 7. I already got the answer, which is 0.1659, and probability of x equals to 8, and I've got 0.179, and probability of x equals to x equals to 9, and I've got 0.1597, and finally probability of x equals to 10 equals to 0.1171, and when I add up all that, I'm getting is 0.7461. Okay, this is using binomial. Okay, now we're going to use the approximation method. Okay, what would we get if I use approximation method? Okay, so to approximate, since I have p is greater than less than 10 and greater than 6. Okay, so I'll start with 6. Okay, for continuous distribution or continuous variable, I have p as x is greater than equals to 6. Okay, so when x is greater than equals to 6, the first value will be 5.5. Okay, the approximate value will be 5.5, so I have to start from that. So doing this, I have 5.5 to find the z-score. Okay, let's find the z-score. So from here to find the z-score, I have 5.5 minus mu over standard deviation. Okay, before that, let's find what is the mu and standard deviation. P is given as 0.4. Okay, we have that, and then n is given as 20. So mu equals to np. So to find the mean, we just have to times 20 with 0.4, and the answer is 8. And whereas the standard deviation is square root of npq, which is square root of 20 times 0.4 times 0.6, and the answer is 4.8, square root of 4.8. Okay, so based on that, if I plug in those values, so I have 5.5 minus 8 over square root of 4.8. Okay, square root of 4.8. So this is same as, okay, so what value am I getting? I'm getting negative 1.14108866. Okay, so you don't have to write the whole thing, at least 1.1410 or 1.1411, that's enough. Okay, so phi of negative 1.14108866 will be the probability for x greater than 6, and the answer that I'm getting here, okay, I'm using MF19, so the area is to the left, so I have to looks like I have to minus, so what I have here is 0.8731. Okay, 0.8731. Okay, so anything greater than 6, including 6, is 0.8731. So that's the probability that I'm getting. And then next is probability for x less than equal to 10. Okay, so less than equal to 10. So we know they're talking about 10. So what is the highest the value that you can take? Okay, or the upper bound. The upper bound is 10.5. So I have to start by looking at the z-score. So z-score will be 10.5 minus 8 over square root of 4.8, and this is 1.141088661. Okay, so again using MF19. Okay, MF19, this is, so we have, that's mu, which is 8, and 5.5 just now it was here. Okay, and then I looked at what is the area now for 10.5, which is somewhere here. So just now what we have, 0.8731 is all the blue area. Okay, 0.8731. Now I want to know what is the green area, everything after 10.5 or over 10.5. So what is the probability over 10.5? So when I take the blue area, which is 0.8731, and minus the probability for anything beyond 10.5, that will give me the area between 5.5 to 10.5, and that is the probability that we are looking at. Okay, so let's work on that. So for 1.1410, so using MF19, you are getting 0.8731, and you got a minus sorry, it's not 8731. What do I get? Yeah, 8731, and okay, that's the area that I'm getting, 8731. But I want the green region. So green region, since I'm using MF19, it only gives me the answer everything on the left. Okay, so 0.8731 represents the left. So if I want to find what's the green region, so I have to take 1 minus 0.8731. So the green region, which I've shaded here, is 0.1269. 1269. Okay, 0.1269. Okay, so the blue region here is 0.8731. The green region here is 0.1269. So therefore, the probability for 6 less than equal to x less than equal to 10 is 0.8731 minus 0.1269, and the answer that I'm getting here is 0.7462, which is same as 0.7462 SF.